Here's a short grape update on a video I did with the thumbnail Got Grapes. As you can see, some of them are starting to get ripe, not all of them. Let me see here. This one here is getting pretty ripe. Tastes pretty good, not too sour. If you let them ripen too long, then they're pretty sour. But another thing I found, this grapevine's pretty big. I mean, it's horrendous. And I don't water it at all. And it's just horrendous, probably 40 feet long. I like to give, a lot of you might say no, but from my chickens, it works out fine. They like to eat these grapes when they're ripe as a snack. As soon as I come out there with a little bit of grapes, that chicken looks up and sees them and goes into dessert mode. It's like giving a kid ice cream. Anyways, this is an update on my grape video that they're almost getting ripe. I'll probably do one more once they all get ripe. And another thing is I use all these leaves as organic material. I put them over where I'm going to grow my plants for the next year and just let them decompose in the winter. Alright, thanks for watching. You like this video? Click subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thanks.